Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Anna Swami and today we are going to be covering the topic shore establishments. Okay, now we have Visakhapatnam again on the east coast. INS Sirkar, that is Administrative Establishment of Eastern Naval Command. हमने अभी तक किया है about कोची में हमने there is no particular ऐसे administrative establishment वो हमने नहीं किया है, ठीक है? But we have done for Mumbai, that is INS Angre. So now again similar to that on the east side we have Administrative Establishment of Eastern Naval Command. Then again हमने वहाँ पे किया था, we talked about I think it was Veer Vajrabahu, yes. So Vajrabahu was उधर का मुंबई का सबमरीन बेस एंड अगेन की ऑपरेशनल बेसिस है बोथ हमारे मुंबई भी विशाखापट्टनम भी. So that is why we have Veer Bahu here, that is a submarine base. Again काफी पास है, that was Vajrabahu, this is Veer Bahu and that is submarine base. Here we have INS Satyavahana, that is submarine training school. INS Kalinga, that is missile storage and servicing. Again we have यहाँ पे this is supposed to be INHS, this is INHS Kalyani, that is naval hospital. Again we have यहाँ पे INS Dega, that is a naval air station. ठीक है, so now you know 4. Then we have INS Vishwakarma, that is shipwright school. Then we have INS Excella that we left here, that is marine gas turbine overhauling center. So जहाँ पे आपका basically जो भी हम sea से भी देखें वहाँ से gas produce करते हैं, so that comes under INS Excella. And then we have INS Karn, that is Marco space. Moving further, we will now move to Port Blair, which is again, if you remember, I hope you remember, Unified Command. So here we have INS Jarava, that is support base again, क्योंकि support base closest to जहाँ पे भी हमें need है उसके पास हमने INS Jarava वहाँ पे establishment present है. Then we have again INS Utkarsh. Fifth we have INS Utkarsh naval air station. Then we have INHS Dhanbantri. Again it is a naval hospital. So हमने संजीवनी किया, we did Punjali, we talked about Dhanbantri. So बहुत सारे हमारे पास already we did. ठीक है, so now you can learn any 5. We will do more. So जो भी तुम्हें easy लगता है, whatever is easy to you, you can learn those. Then we have INS Kargil, that is naval base. INS Baz. Now we talked about Hans, we talked about Dega, we talked about what else did we talk about? Garud. ठीक है, so that again similar to birds because birds ना we can easily relate कि air से related होगा. So that is how we have naval air station and we also have INS Shibpur here. That is again a naval air station. Moving on, we have Chennai in Tamil Nadu, INS Adyar, that is naval base, and INS Rajli, that is again naval air station. ठीक है, now we are going to go to Kolkata side, that is towards the east. यहाँ पे we have INS Netaji Subhash again to give tribute to him. He was the first person to start he was the first person to think about कि हमारे पास एक army होनी चाहिए during the time of the Britishers. So that is why to give tribute to him we have the naval base in Kolkata named as INS Netaji Subhash. Then we have Chilka. INS Chilka is basically sailors basic training school. Again एक और school हमारे पास है यहाँ पे INHS Nivarani, that is naval hospital. Coimbatore again we have in Tamil Nadu. INS Agrani, that is leadership and management course for sailors because again आपको उनको बहुत सारे training. It is not just कि आपको drill की training मिलती है. A lot of mental training also is required. A lot of emotional, social बहुत सारे trainings के लिए we have these basic schools and areas जहाँ पे हमारे पास ये training provide की जाती है. So here we have INS Agrani. Then we talk about Dwarka. We have INS Dwarka. Very simple. That is administrative support to vessels on forward area deployment. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब है कि जब हमारा कोई भी, for example, हम कोई भी operation run कर रहे हैं in actual life, तो वहाँ पे हमारे पास जो भी support to the vessel, जो भी हमने vessel deploy किया कि this will go and fight या फिर this petroleum vessel is to be there, तो for forward area deployment के लिए जो भी vessels हमारे included होते हैं, उनका administrative support is provided by INS Dwarka. Chipili, that is INS Parundu, that is naval air station again. Now we have Tarunaveli, that is INS Kattabomman, that is low frequency transmission center. Low frequency transmission center मतलब जहाँ से हम messages send करते हैं वो low frequency के अंदर हमारे जाएंगे ताकि हमारे पास कोई भी जो भी हमारा opponent है, कोई भी जो हमारे against खड़ा है, they can not read into those messages. Karwar, INS Kadamba, that is a base depot ship. Then we have INHS Patanjali. I think this is very easy to learn. And then we have naval hospital again. INS Vajrakosh is naval ammunition and missile depot. As you can see, बहुत सारे हैं. So that is I have marked the important ones. कि at least वो तो आपको पता होने ही चाहिए. And then you can learn as many as Yogiamala, that is INS Damorin. This is very important. This is not INS, sorry, this is INA. Why is it INA? Because this is Indian Naval Academy. यहाँ पे इनको train किया जाता है. Next we have Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep में we have INS Dweep Rakshak. That is Dweep Rakshak मतलब हिंदी में it means जो द्वीप is आपका coastal region और वहाँ का रक्षक, द्वीप रक्षक is आपका Lakshadweep में. Now we have it is a logistic and maintenance support. INS Minicoy for forward operating base and INS Sandhurst is another forward operating base. Now we are going to talk about the ship organization. Ship organization में basically the ship is commanded by a commanding officer under whom we have various officers that head their respective departments. So जैसे we have commander in chief for various commands, we have commanding officer as well for ships जो ships पे काम करेंगे. ठीक है, next we have अब इनके अंडर कौन कौन काम करता है. We have अब second in command is executive officer, that is basically second in command of the ship after the commanding officer. अगर commanding officer for any reason he is not present, so we have executive officer can work and has the same responsibilities as him then. The whole ship is divided into sub departments. अब अलग-अलग departments हैं under which the various personnel work. We have the executive department जिसमें बहुत सारे regions and domains are covered. That is we have हमारा navigation, we have navigation and direction की हम सही रास्ते पे जा रहे हैं या नहीं, कोई हमारा जो भी हमारे सारे क्या कहते हैं compass है वो ठीक से चल रहा है, कोई भी हम proper communication are we able to communicate back, हमारा communication system with the command is that properly working or not, ASW, gunnery, aviation, NDCD, that is again आपका disasters के लिए, all of this comes under executive branch department. Then we have engineering department, that is कि हमारे ship is full of machines, तो वो machines ठीक से काम कर रही हैं या नहीं, क्या क्या उनमें प्रॉब्लम है, अगर है तो कौन कौन ठीक कर सकता है, ठीक कब करना है, all of that comes under engineering. Then we have electrical कि again बहुत सारे electrical supply is there, so उसका working चल रही है, maintenance. Then we have logistics, hull, etc. तो basically we have बहुत सारे departments में the ship organization is divided ताकि we can look after every single aspect of the ship and ताकि हमारी ship can properly steer further. So that was everything about ship organization and shore establishments. I hope you find it interesting and I hope you were able to see and you were able to understand कि कैसे हमने इसको पढ़ना है, because most people find a problem there. So I hope that was clear. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can ask us in the comment section below, and that's all for this section. Thank you. Jai Hind.